Good evening, Chestermere. Today is March 31st. Alberta now has 754 confirmed cases of COVID-19, which is a rise of 64 new cases since yesterday. 75 cases are believed to be from community transmission. 9 people in our province have died due to this virus. And sadly, Chestermere is now listed as having 9 confirmed cases. We need to stop the spread, Chestermere, and we need to stop it now. I cannot stress this enough. As your mayor, I'm letting you know that you must practice physical distancing. There are too many people gathering in groups or getting close to each other at grocery stores, in the pharmacies, and when out and about. The emergency management team has advised that they will start issuing fines for anyone or any business that does not comply. These are practices to protect you, to protect your loved ones, and to protect your community. I must repeat, stay home. When you have to go out, stay far apart from others. If you're in a store, a minimum of 2 meters distance from anyone. Wash and sanitize your hands. Don't touch your face. If you're sick, stay home. And for anyone at all, returning from outside of Canada, you must, absolutely must, be in a self-isolation at home and quarantined on your property. And no visitors. None. We are taking zero tolerance approach. We have to. As announced yesterday, we have implemented strong regulations for our local businesses that remain open. Over the course of the past 24 hours, we have begun inspections of open businesses to ensure they are compliant with providing hand sanitizing stations for patrons and requiring patrons to use them, ensuring physical distancing from patrons, and requiring that keypads for payments are wiped after every use. Failure to follow regulations, again, will result in fines. If you must go out for groceries, consider going during off-peak hours. Currently, the busiest times are Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Please consider shopping outside of these days whenever possible. Also, go out at hours that are also off-peak. If we shoppers cannot disperse effectively on their own, people may be required to line up outside. And when you get your groceries home, wipe and sanitize all packaging and surfaces. Fruits and vegetables should be thoroughly rinsed. The measures we are taking in our community are serious. They are strict. But they are also ahead of most communities and the measures imposed by the province. While we do have confirmed cases in Chestermere, we are blessed to not have any deaths. But the rise in confirmed cases is concerning. Our emergency management team and first responders are working around the clock to protect us. So please take measures and restrictions seriously. And please continue to be kind to each other, even from a distance. Now, on a positive note, our team have developed a downloadable neighbor note that you can use to check in on your neighbors. If you are healthy and not quarantined, you can download the note, fill in your contact information, and leave it at your neighbor's door to let them know you are available to help them if they need it. Maybe they need groceries, or a friendly call, or prescriptions to be picked up, or help with a meal. Now is the time more than ever to be helpful to your neighbor, while still practicing safe physical distancing. We know that many of you are doing amazing things to help stop the spread here in Chestermere. And for your courageous decisions, we thank you. If you have positive stories to share, let us know by using the hashtag #WeCanDoItChestermere. Together, we can stop the spread. Together, we can do it. Thank you and good night.